Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states, at any time of the day, I went along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not talk to me, nor did I talk to him, until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the bazaar of Bani Qainqa. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then returned until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the house of Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha and said, Is the tiny boy here? Is the tiny boy here? Hazrat Hasan radiyallahu anhu. We thought only that his mother radiyallahu anha had detained him in order to bath him and garland him. No long after, Hazrat Hasan radiyallahu anhu came running until each of them hugged each other. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then made supplication, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I love him, so you may love him, and love him who loves him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6207.